Hello everybody. Okay, so remember last time I played really cringy Roblox? Well, I'm gonna start a new series where I'm gonna play even a bunch of kid games and find out which one's the best. I know, it's super cringy and bad, but today I'm in Club Penguin Rewritten. And we'll just consider this as Club Penguin. I know it's dead, but this is Club Penguin Rewritten. Shut up. Okay, let's play this game. Find out. Ugh. 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 Good thing I have a mouse, or else this would be impossible. Give me. Oh, yay! Oh, frick! Oh no! Oh, this is getting a lot harder for a kids game than I thought. So I'm just gonna be playing a bunch of kid games. I've already done Roblox, and I'm doing Club Penguin, and I'll find out more games to do. Like I don't know. I'll do like the Cartoon Network thing or something. I used to play that as a kid. I still. Well, I used to play as a little kid. Oh frick! Dang, I only have one life left. I want coins, and never mind. Wait, no, I still have one life. Great job. Let's see. Let's go upstairs. What's Monacala? We'll go find out what this is. And it seems like no one wants to play, so never mind. I just realized I am one of the loneliest servers. I'm gonna write somebody a message. Just kidding, no I'm not. Wait, but I don't want to write anybody. How do I get out of here? Oh, here it is. You're a freaking idiot. Let's see. When was the last time they were online? Well, probably a while ago, whatever. I wonder if there's anything new. Believe me, I haven't played this game in like 3 months or something. Well, I'm gonna go upstairs and find out what games there is. So let's play Thin Ice. There we go. That sounds good. Next. Play. That was easy. I can't mess up. Yay. Why would I do that to myself? Okay. And I already lost. I messed up. Okay, I think I'm going to have to carefully do this. Okay, I messed up there, but... No! Why? Yeah, I messed up. Might as well die. But I said... Okay, I can reset. I didn't even notice that. Okay, the problem is I have to reset a lot. Never mind, I was so close that time. Why am I getting mad over a kid's game? Oh, whatever. Dang it. Okay, I'm at least get to like level 8. Or at least finish this level. Okay, I missed that. I missed on purpose that time. Eh, eh, eh. Just gonna do this. Yeah, sure. Oh, no, this is what I call horrid. And whatever. I got 60 out of, like, whatever it is. Already messed up. Might as well just take the shortcut. Frick. I messed up. I messed up again. Okay, good. I saved myself. The frick was that? Someone's texting me. I don't know if you can hear it. Yep, I died. Whatever! This game's dumb anyway. 33 coins? What a ripoff. Let's see, let's play my favorite game. Well, first off, let's find out how bad I am at this game. Let's find out how bad I am on sled races. Oh wait, I just realized I am on one of the most, what's this? These things look ugly, although I like this one. 300, how much is this one? I like this one. I like this one too. I have coins to spend. I'm gonna spend them. So Bunny Hill. That's a hill in my city, or I guess town. I don't freaking know. Go. OMG. My penguin is just stupid. I'm pretty sure you can go down a hill. Yeah, there you go. This is a good game. Sadly, since I can only record for so long, I can only dig deep into this game. But I'll try to do my best I can. Got it. This is my favorite game. What the frick was that? Wee wah. Oh man, I just realized you can't hear the music. Dang it, that sucks. I like this music. Whoa, jellyfish can shock your line. Are we getting into jellyfish that fast that it would take like at least a longer amount of time? Hopefully my worm doesn't die. But then again, I'm pretty sure I'm pretty good at this game. Like one time I got like 70 fish. I think another time I got 100. It was pretty impressive. Oh, there they are. Where are the fish? There they are. More fish. Never mind. Go back. Oh, that was so close. No, come back. Oh man. I got this one. Yay. Look, I got another one. Nope. Playing it risky. But I want these fish. Let's see. Where are the other fish? You know, I bet there's kids right now on Saturday studying for a test, going to church class, or sleeping, or kids just watching, I don't know, cartoons, and those other kids probably playing with their toys. And then there's other kids playing Fortnite or any other game, since they can only play on Saturday. And here's me playing Club Penguin. I don't freaking care. Oh wait, when has there been sharks? There's one. Wait, give me that one. Nice. What the frick was that? I had it. And then There's one. I'm telling you, jellyfish, if you get close to any of my fish, you will be a peanut butter and jelly fish. A peanut butter and jelly sandwich fish. So don't mess. And you shark, I don't know, a harpoon or something. Danger! Crabs have sharp claws. I don't even freaking care. You see this? Look at over here. I have three worms left. 3. Oh, look, there's one. There's another. Here's a big one. Oh no, I couldn't get that. Gimme. Yep, got it. Got both of them. Where are the crabs? You know what? Forget about Mr. Krabs. Oh yeah, Mr. Krabs. Oh yeah. Oh! Dang it! No, Mr. Chompy. And then this one is called Gary. This one is called, I don't freaking know, Silver. You ever think about how Pokemon, there's characters called like Gary, and there's other characters called Gold? Damn. Like, I mean, come on. Some people are named Gary, or I don't know, like Serena, I think. While others are named Gold. Who names their kids Silver, or Gold, or Red, or Blue, or Black, or White? Or wasn't it like Ruby and Sapphire? Who names it? Okay, that's actually that's not that weird of a name. Oh no, my time is almost up. I need to hurry up. When is this game ending? I'm not gonna end because I lost. I have to finish because my oh no. Oh, oops. Oh, I gotta do one. Yay, chomp me. It's because I only have like a minute left. Oh, oops. Oh no. Oh, look, a new one. Are you kidding me? Freaking lose. I have like a minute, 2 minutes left. Oh, yay. I didn't really lose I lost on purpose, by the way. Well, I don't know, I'll play a different game. Let's end it with a match on the dojo. There's literally no one here. But you know what I want? I want an actual match. Whatever, I'll go feed my Puffle. Jeez. How do I feed you? Ah, there it is. There you go. I'm pretty sure. Okay, now I'm going to finish this off. Wait, no, I meant to click the map. There it is. I'm really bad at this game, so I'm pretty sure I can finish this in a minute. Okay, so since this video is about to end, out of 10 stars, out of 5 stars as a kids game, I rate this game 4.5. Oops. No, how is that freaking happen? How the freaking? Okay, guys, I'll see you next time and watch me uncontrollably buy stuff at the gift shop. Where is it? Just enter. I have like 10 seconds left. I need to buy everything. Come on, hurry up. Walk faster. Whatever this is, I'm buying it.